If you love coconut, then this recipe is calling your name. Let me show you how you can make rich, flavorful coconut rice. In your already heated pot, add your coconut oil. Why this coconut oil is like this? Because I use it to fry my meat and fish. Allow the oil to get hot a bit, then go in with your pepper mix. This is just a combination of langa, pepper, habanero pepper and onion. Fry it very well so it can dry properly. Then go in with your washed rice, your parboiled or just washed rice. Then stir properly. Go in with your seasoning cubes and your seasoning powder. Then keep frying. Fry this for about 3 minutes ish. I went in with a little crayfish. Then I went in with my Marah coconut spice. This is not a paid advert, but this spice is really good. After mixing everything together, then I went in with my meat stock. Please, once you add your crayfish, don't fry it on a high medium heat because you don't want the crayfish to burn. Next, I went in with my coconut milk. Then cover to cook. I went in with a little salt. Little. I don't like adding salt in my food. You see the way you cover your jollof rice to trap all the heat. Just do the same with this coconut rice and you will love it. You see how that foil made this rice to dry up, made the water to dry up. That's why you have to use something to cover it. Is either foil or you use sack bag. Then I went in with my panla fish. I fried this panla fish, by the way. So you can also use goat meat, beef to cook your coconut rice. Anything at all you have. I only have panla fish in my house. That's why I use panla fish. But you can use any protein of choice. Just stir together and your food is ready. Enjoy.